Morning ค่ะทุกคนวันนี้นะคะกับเพื่อนๆเนี่ยมีนัดกันไป Virginia Beach นะคะอันนี้เนี่ยเราไปกับทางมหาลัยเขาแบบว่ามีเหมือนฟิลทริปพานักเรียนต่างชาติไปนะคะเรากับเพื่อนๆแก๊งเอเชียนก็เลยนัดกันวันนี้มาครบแก๊งเลยเดี๋ยวเราจะพาทุกคนไปกับเราด้วยนะคะ We are in the bus and ready to go. Say hi guys. Who's buying them speaking Korean? No. Your nails.We got the new color.
Oh my god, my finger is
so
ugly.
cute. I mean the color is so cute, but like
our scale is not like mature.
Yeah. แล้วก็จะให้เราเซ็นแบบ consent form นะคะเป็นแบบว่าการอุบัติเหตุอะไรแบบนี้ Almost there. How many minutes left? 20. Around 20 minutes. Okay. We'll put on some sunscreen.Maybe put on her sunscreen.
Yeah.
Where's her sunscreen? Here. You're putting on. Yeah.
It's facial actually.
Oh,
I
really?
put on my body.
It's fine. At the beach and now we're walking to look for a restaurant for lunch. Yeah. Here's the menu. Our food is here. I got the NC barbecue.
This.
This is the trash burger they have.
Chase.
Where's your food?
I don't know.
This is ruby wraps.We're done eating and now we are heading to the beach. Ruby, you got so excited.
Oh my god, so hot!
Yeah.
It's burning!
Here's the details. Which one do you want?
There's an umbrella first.
Umbrella?
Yeah.
Definitely an umbrella.
And the dream team.
อันนี้เราก็เช่าเป็นคาบาน่าแบบนี้แล้วก็ร่มอย่างนั้นนะคะ Everyone is waiting for like umbrella. He's trying hard. We bought the beach towel, which is so cute, just for like use it as a shade. We bought this snacks also.
It's cold.
Oh yeah, because this one's like hefty.
Yeah.
Also trolley jelly.
We ate it.
Yeah, we
Which
had
flavor
it,
do you
yeah.
guys want?
You can choose your own flavor.
Yeah, they have different flavors. Oh, it's.
Is it good?
Oh my god!
What? You just.
Oh
What just happened?
my god! The jelly just
jelly
come
just
out.
come out.
Napkin.
Me and Jesus was like walking all the way. I'm choosing grape. What's your flavor?
Mine is peach.
Peach. What's yours, Sayang?
Mango.
Mango.
Pineapple.
And
Apple.
apple. Yes,
please.
Double chin. We got double chin. You can play music. Pick a good song.
Yeah, please. Yeah, this vibe.
So weird. I think the picture is so much better. We're moving inside to the broad walk because the weather is so hot, right?
So hot.
So hot
So
right
hot.
now. Couldn't bear. Now Alex is here with us. She has been disappeared for a long time.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you walk, right?
Yeah, like 2 hours.
Yeah, straight. Is it romantic? We are going to get Starbucks for the second time. 2 days in a row.
Yeah, I want Starbucks.
Finally, we are here. This is my new favorite. Cheers! So cute. After going for a while, you're now finally. ฮัลโหลทุกคนวันนี้เป็นเช้าวันจันทร์นะคะวันนี้เป็นวัน Labor Day หรือว่าวันแรงงานแห่งชาตินะคะซึ่งที่อเมริกาเนี่ยเขาก็จะหยุดกันทั่วประเทศเลยเรากับเพื่อนๆก็เลยนัดกันจะไปปิกนิกที่เมมอนพาร์คนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะพาทุกคนไปปิกนิกกับเราด้วย Okay we are heading to Maymon bye bye our food here and some snacks. Food Sayon brought us strawberry and blueberry, right? Yeah. We got a barbecue chicken and honey garlic and tteokbokki and seaweeds.
Flavor
This
is
milk
very
is
much with
so
kimchi.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Bubble tea.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Like.
I'm strangers to her, so
Ah!
she keeps ignoring
I'm a
me.
stranger again.
Yeah, she ditched me again.
Yeah.
Oh, to laugh. Someone finish it.
I have to.
She doesn't know what is this thing. We all have it. when
Really?
we were
In your
young.
country?
Yeah. It's a childhood snacks, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have this again.
You're too young. Get out of our gang. First try. Is it good?
I bite his hands though.
We all have it.
You
You chose
like
this one. I remember. It's these two recommendations.
Yeah, I also have like this
Let me
one.
see the banana
Banana
cake. It's a
cake.
Korean snack.
So good though. I have this before. That's good. It's good. You like it?
Yeah. It's okay, Jisoo will take a picture with her feet.
I need time.
It's so funny. Yeah, this is the behind the scenes.
Someone
of this
press the
picture.
button. I mean, you do crap.
The crab one. It's salty. How was it? Good? I can do anything!
미끄럽다가 영어로 뭐예요? 미끄럽다. 슬리퍼리. Never tried before. I never tried. Like
The reaction is so. How's it? You're fake. You're
too fake, bro.
debut stage. You should dance.
Dance time. Do their new songs like. I just caught it on purpose. I don't know how to say that. I still aura sunglasses.
Yes, she stole my sunglasses every day.
Yeah. I was like scratching on your finger. Make them surprised. Like,
Yeah.
wow, they're
Yeah. You have been here like once and now you act like you're an expert. Okay, so here's the Italian garden. Keep going. I brought my kids here. I have like 5 kids here. So. Here's the children. Here's my stranger 1, stranger 2. And that's my maknae. Like she enjoying the flowers and the This is cute. I know. This is wonderful. Walk fast though. If you want me to follow you. Everyone is babying her. Oh my god, it's cute down there. Are you tired yet? A little? Okay.
Oh, there is turtles.
Oh, there's a turtle.
There is like.
Oh,
there is the white one. See? Yeah.
Oh, there is. Someone just enjoy her wow aesthetic life. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. We're heading back. Bye.